welcome to the next episode of YDATV for another bite-sized bit to help you pass your driving test. In the last episode of YDATV, we looked at the essential skills you need to get started with roundabouts. So, following on from that, today's focus is on roundabout direction boards. We'll cover the essential information you need to take away to make better informed decisions and navigate the roundabout safely and correctly. Failure to check the roundabout direction board massively reduces your chances of getting it right. When you're looking at the board, you need to ask yourself 3 questions. Is my exit left, straight or right? Where is it going and what time is it? There is other information you can take away from the board to assist you, but these 3 bits of information is the bare minimum you need to take away, especially for the more complex roundabouts. Let me explain how these 3 questions can really help you. So, is my exit left, straight or right? Knowing if your exit is left, straight or right will help you understand which lane to choose on approach and how you need to apply the MSPSL routine. Where is it going? It's useful to take note on where your exit is heading. For example, M1, M69, City Centre, South Wixton, and so on. On more complex roundabouts, you'll find road markings stating where a particular lane is taking you. This will make it easy for you to choose the correct lane on approach, and more importantly, as you're maneuvering around the roundabout. You can also cross-check the exit sign to verify you're leaving at the correct exit. And for the third question, what time is it? If you're looking at the roundabout as a face of a clock, 6 o'clock is our approach, so we don't usually count that as an exit unless you're planning on doing a U-turn. Knowing roughly what time your exit is gives you an idea how far around to find your exit. Often the middle of the roundabout will have fences, trees, greenery, etc., which restricts the view of the entire roundabout on approach. Let's bring up a roundabout direction board and ask ourselves the 3 questions to help you better understand how this works. So in this image of a direction board, this is a 3-exit roundabout. So we have 3 exits, not including the road that we're approaching from. So looking at the first exit, is it left, straight or right? It's a left turn. Where is it heading? It doesn't say. What time is it? It's at 9 o'clock. Now the second exit, is it left, straight or right? It's straight ahead. Where is it heading? M1, M69. What time is it? 12 o'clock. And the third exit, is it left, straight or right? It's a right turn. Where is it heading? Doesn't say. What time is it? 3 o'clock. Knowing how to read the direction board and taking away the essential information is crucial when dealing with roundabouts, especially when you're turning right. From the first roundabout lesson, make it a habit to read the direction board, even for the simpler exits. Now in the next video, we'll look at the more complex roundabout, the popular pork pie roundabout. If you don't want to miss the next video or need clarification on what we've just been through, leave a comment below. That's all for today, and thanks again for joining us on YDATV for another bite-sized bit to help you pass your driving test.